Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to co-host a live stream on YouTube. Now what that means is how to invite somebody to live stream together with you on YouTube. And very quick information about these guys. There are particularly eligible people that can live stream. It's not everybody that can live stream, and if you are eligible to live stream, you'll be able to invite people to co-live stream with you or live stream together with you. Now, to live stream together with somebody, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon, and then you notice where it says live. You click on live, and then it's going to bring in this option and load up for you. Now, to invite somebody to live stream with you, you notice the option right there. Just click on this particular option and you notice it's enabled. Right now, once it's enabled, you'll be able to invite somebody to co-live stream with you. And if you want to live stream on your mobile device, you click on this screencast option right there. So you can click on advanced option to actually enable monetization and allow chat. So if you also want to enable paid promotion, you can also enable that, but I'm actually not doing that right now. So you notice the co-live stream or the go live together is actually active. This is the name of my live stream. Just click on next and it's going to load up. Wait for it. So you can only be able to invite somebody that have your live stream link or this live stream link. So the live stream hasn't started yet, guys. So to invite the person, you can either click on copy this link and you send it to the person, like going to their WhatsApp and pasting it, or going to any messenger and pasting it. But if you want to send it through an email, you can just click on invite link and it's going to bring up different options for you. Choose any one and you can choose this one. But if the option doesn't appear, just copy the link and go to the exact messenger or the exact area and paste the link. Once the person sees the link and click on it, they will be able to start. They'll be able to display and you can accept them. And just about any time you can remove the person from live stream. I have already covered that on my previous video. The reason why I'm making this video is because there are a few changes on this, so I actually have to show you guys that. So you notice it says send this to one person and invite them to live stream, which means you can only send this to one person and you can only live stream with one person. So guys, this is all I want to show you. I do not want to go to live stream. I'm just going to close this out and I'm going to click on OK. So that is actually how to invite somebody as a guest to co-live stream with you or to go live stream with you. And this is actually not available on mobile device, even though you are eligible. Right now, this is not available on PC. This is only available on mobile device. So if you want to do a co-live stream together with your friends, you can only do this on your mobile device. You cannot do this on your PC. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay safe and peace.